Okay, Ed Akhurst here. There was a question in the Pages group about doing images. So I'm going to shoot this quick video. This is January 17th. We are still in very early beta. So what I'm going to show you is subject to change depending when you watch this video. But for right now, let's just start a new site, okay, just to kind of show this. And I'm going to show two different things. Actually, let me go back to the builder real quick. Um, there is an images section here, okay, where you have an image library. All right. And you can also search for images, like if you wanted to put a computer up there. Of course, it would help if I spelled it right. You know, you can find images. There are all kinds of them available. You can load more. I mean, there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of things in here. But let's go to the sites and let's create a new one. So I'm going to show you two things in this video. Let's do one where there already is an image, and I'll show you how to change it out. Okay, so let's just drag this block over. All right, and get rid of that. Okay, so if you hover over the image and you click the little pencil icon, you can add border information and styles and things like that. You can have the image link somewhere to a page within the site, to a block within the site, a particular place within that page, I mean, or somewhere else. And you can also go to the image. So let's open the image library. And if I just want to add that, I can just click on it, or I can pick something else. Let's say I want to put this guy in there instead. And once you've done that, whoops, I already did that. Sorry. Once you've done that, hit the upload arrow to actually put it in your image library. Okay. And then if you want to change the dimensions, like this is pretty big, we may only want this to be, I don't know, 500. Let's just do that. It'll keep the aspect the same, and then use an insert image. And now it's in there just where the other one was. Okay. It's that simple. And you can change the sizes by going back there and then going back to the image and changing it. Okay. You can also give attributes to the image and things like that. So that's that. Now you can also create them fresh. So let's take an empty block just to show you this with nothing. Whoops. And then I'll actually show you how you can put one in here. Well, actually, let me show you this first. Let's say we want an image under here above this text. Okay, so what we can do is go to Components, Media, take the image section, and we find the blue line. We want it between the headline and the text, so we'll put it right there, and there's the image. And then we can just do the same thing. Okay, maybe for here, we'll click Image, Open Image Library. Maybe now we want to do, maybe we do want to do a computer, just to, pick that. We can, let's say that one looks good. We're uploading it to the images. That's huge, 6,000 by 4,000. We don't want that. We want that to be more like 300 by 200. Update the dimensions, use an insert image, and there it is. Then when we get rid of that, you can see what it looks like, okay? You can throw these components in anywhere. So when you want to add something and you drag it, you're just looking for a blue line. That'll put it by the picture. Actually, that'll put it above the headline. See how it's pink around there? So we're still within the block that has Revolutionary Builder in it. Here we would be between the headline and that image, between that image and that. We can go down above the button and things like that. So you can also add empty blocks. Let's say we just want to put a block. Let's put it down here under everything. Okay. Whoops. Drag the empty one. Okay. There's an empty block. There it is right there. And then we do the same thing. We just go back to component, take an image. Let's scroll down so it's there, and go down into that empty block. We should change the padding. It's way down there. And then there's the blue. I'll show you how to change the padding. There's the blue. Okay. So there it is. And then again, you do the same image. Maybe we want to do something completely different there. So go over the pencil. I'll just run through this again. It doesn't hurt to see it again. Pencil, image, open image library. Let's add another image. Let's do, here's one for a website I'm building. Upload is too large. Maximum file size is 1 megabyte. Okay, so I would need to shrink that a little bit. So that's fine. I showed you how to upload. You saw it. Let's just do a picture of me then next. We'll keep that. Use an insert image. Okay, and then there it is. Let's get rid of that. All right, now actually look at this. Okay, so my picture's cut off. All right, so what we want to do is we want to go to this block. The picture's too long for the block. So what we do is we go here and let's add some padding. Okay. Oops, where are we? I think I'm in the wrong block. Yeah, we want the whole block. There we go. Okay, and padding top, let's do, actually it looks good on the top, I think, but let's do 25 anyway. And then padding bottom, that image was about 400 deep. Let's do 300 because it's already got some apply changes. There we go. Now the whole image is in there. Okay, you can see the whole thing. See the space in here if you want to get rid of that. All right, again, you can go to, oops, got to get rid of the detail editor. We could go here and there's probably going to be, well, we want that padding at the top. Let's get rid of padding. Let's get rid of that. Let's go over here to the one above it if we want to move these closer together. There it is there. That's the one above it. Hit that. Okay, and that is 100 at the bottom. So let's change that to 20. And I'll scroll down so you can watch it change. And just move them closer together. Okay, that's it. That's images. Hopefully that's been a little bit of help. Hit us up if you have any questions. Keep in mind, this is just going to keep growing and getting better and easier to use. As you use it, if you find any bugs, report them. And if you have other questions, reach out. And once you get something down, if you see someone else asking, please pay it forward and help the next person that comes along. Thanks. Take care.